Hello friends, my name is Chetan Vadaria and I had brought a big great news for all the students of class 8 to 12 guys. Unacademy is going to conduct a scholarship test for class 8 to 1200 students and scholarship worth rupees 5 crores, or you can say prizes worth rupees 5 crores will be given to the students. Actually many small scholarship test every Sunday they are conducting, but this is mega test. This is known as prodigy scholarship test, guys. Here prizes worth 5 crores are given to the students. So if you are good and if you want to show your talent and if you want to win scholarship and prize both, I think this is the best way for you to give this test and get that amount, guys. Not only prizes worth 5 crores you will get with this, you will get a chance also. Yes guys, you will get a chance to meet the players of Kolkata Knight Riders IPL team. You know, I think IPL is going on and these are the players of Kolkata Knight Riders. You will get a chance to meet them also, guys. So it's time to show your talent and everything is for free, guys. So I think you must give this test so that you can win prizes worth 5 crore plus chance to get a meet with this Kolkata Knight Riders player. So I think this is one of the great news for you, where you can show your talent and how you can enroll and few strategies or how they are going to conduct this examination. That everything I will explain in this video. So let us start, guys. Take Unacademy Prodigy test. Every year they are conducting this. Previous year also they had conducted this test, guys. This were the toppers. This was All India number 2 in Prodigy of Unacademy. In Prodigy test of Unacademy, he scored All India number 1 in NEET and UG 2020, guys. So this student got scholarship previous year and he was All India number 1 in NEET and UG 2020, guys. So this, the name of this guys is Shoaib Aftab. You can see another student, Kartik Agrawal. He was All India ranked number 9 in Prodigy test and he scored All India 21 in NEET UG 2020, guys. So you can also give this test for free and you can also win this scholarship and then you can show your talent, guys. This all are the students. You can see this was Ronak Dalmia was All India rank 33 in Prodigy test and All India 52 rank in JEE Advanced 2020. And the fourth student is Manthan Dalmia. He was All India rank 21 in Prodigy and All India rank 100 in JEE Advanced 2020. So these are the rankers of previous Prodigy test, guys. So this year also they are going to conduct this, and the dates are from 24 to 25. On these 2 days they are going to conduct many tests, and according to your standard, your level, they had divided and what you want to select in future, according to that they had divided this test, guys. Everything I am going to tell you. Just you need to enroll this test and they will ask you a invite code and you need to use my code. My code is Galaxy Coaching, guys. You need to use this code Galaxy Coaching. And how you can join this and how many type of tests are there, everything I'm going to explain. Let us go. Again, stand a chance to meet Kolkata Knight Riders player, guys. So I'm not wasting much time. You know these players better than me, guys. Prizes worth 5 crores and this iPhone, MacBook, iPad, Amazon Echo, these are the gift that you can receive. Now let me tell you, these are the bifurcation or different type of test according to your need. They had prepared according to your need. They had prepared different type of test. Wherever you want to participate, you can join. Okay, If your target is IIT JEE in 2021, this year only, then you need to give this test on 24th of April, and the timings will be 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Okay, if your target is IIT JEE in 2022, then you need to go for this test on 25th of April, and the timings will be 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. So different types of tests will they prepare. So according to your need, when you want to give, according to that you need to select. Okay guys, then target is IIT JEE in 2023, then you need to give test on 25th of April, and your timing for that test will be 1 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Now again, for same thing for NEET also. NEET, if you want to give in 2021, then on 24th of April you need to give the test, and the timings will be this. In 2022, if you want to give, then change in timing and day also, 25th of April 3 to 4:30 p.m. And if you are planning for giving NEET in 2023, then on 25th of April you need to give between 5 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. So according to your need guys, you need to select the test. And if you are in lower standard, and if you want to prepare for foundation for class 9th and 10th, 9 to 10, full 9 to 10, then you need to select this test on 24th of April, and timings will be 3 p.m. If you want to learn for class 9 to 10th, then you can give on 24th of April, but the timings will be 4 p.m. So according to your need, you need to select the test guys, what you want to prepare. Okay, now for enrollment, as I told you, you need to use my code Galaxy Coaching. If you will use this code, you will be easily enroll in that. And let me tell you how you can enroll, or what you need to do. You just need to go on this link I will give you in the description guys. If you are not getting link directly, you can write down https://unacademy.com events/test series/prodigy 2021, and you will directly reach there. I will give you link in the description also. Thank you so much for being with me. If you like this video, please guys like, share, subscribe, and please share this video with all the students of your class, or your cousins or brother, sister, with all the students, so they can take benefits of this test guys. Thank you so much for being with me.